Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Today we're diving into the art of creating engaging social media posts. Whether you're new to the game or a seasoned pro, this tips will help you level up your content strategy and boost your online presence. Let's get started.
Ever wondered why some social media posts capture attention while others barely get a glance? In the world of social media marketing, understanding how to create engaging posts can be the difference between a thriving online presence and a digital ghost town. Step 1. Understand your audience. Dive deep into your audience demographics, their likes, dislikes, and interests. This is the cornerstone of any successful social media campaign. Remember, the aim is not to reach more people, but to reach the right people. Step 2. Craft compelling content. Content is king and context is queen. Use compelling headlines. Make sure your content is relevant and appealing to your target audience. Use humor, emotion, or whatever fits your brand's personality. Step 3. Use engaging visuals. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and in social media, it might be worth 1,000 likes. Images, infographics, and videos can dramatically increase engagement. Step 4. Keep it consistent. Consistency is key in social media. It helps in building your brand's identity and trust. Maintain a consistent posting schedule and consistent voice and aesthetic across all your social media platforms. Step 5. Encourage interaction. Ask questions, run polls, or start a conversation. Encourage your audience to interact with your posts. Engagement is a two-way street. Step 6. Monitor and adjust. Social media marketing is not a set-it-and-forget-it type of task. It requires constant monitoring and adjusting based on your audience's feedback and engagement levels. In summary, creating engaging social media posts involves understanding your audience, crafting compelling content, using engaging visuals, maintaining consistency, encouraging interaction, and constantly monitoring and adjusting your strategy. It's not just about reaching more people. It's about reaching the right people and building a meaningful relationship with them. Remember, in the world of social media marketing, engagement is the currency. So create posts that resonate, engage, and inspire your audience to connect with your brand. Because at the end of the day, it's not about what you sell, it's about what you stand for. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into each of these steps, providing practical examples and tips to help you boost your social media marketing game. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching this video.